Hey everyone, in this video, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you my little program level changer once I've gone and added all the code in the constructor and I've added my little button set enabled code just to show you the overall result, because you're going to be putting the overall result onto paper in something called pseudocode in a little bit. So here's my program. I can't press anything except for pick level. When I do pick level, notice I'm at level 1 and only increase level or the play button is available. As I increase level, now it's possible to decrease the level, so that button's available. Or if I get up to number 5, which is the top level, increase is no longer available, but I still have decrease. And eventually when you pick a level that makes sense, let's say I want level 4, I can hit play, and then all the buttons are disabled, and assume that a game window starts up and I'm playing. So that's the program that you guys have to do on pseudocode and try to code yourselves in just a little bit. So that's a little video just walking you through. Okay, you can also try to run that program if you have access to it and just test it out yourself and make sure you can make it do everything my program does.